I've been a doctor for a very long time. Long enough to see patterns most people miss, and I can tell you this with confidence. Heart attacks do not start suddenly. They are often built quietly, night after night. One of the most common habits I notice in patients is sleeping too late. Not lack of sleep. Wrong sleep timing. Your heart follows a biological clock. It doesn't fully adapt to modern life. Before midnight, your heart goes through important repair processes. After midnight, that repair can become less effective. When patients tell me they sleep at 1 or 2 in the morning, it often correlates with certain health risks, including higher blood pressure, chronic inflammation, early signs of artery stress. They may not feel it yet, and that's what makes it potentially dangerous. Between 10 p.m. and 12 a.m., your heart is supposed to slow down. Blood pressure drops, stress hormones fall, inflammation decreases. This is when your heart recovers from the stress of the day. But when you stay awake late, the body remains alert. Your nervous system stays activated. Cortisol can stay higher than normal. Your heart continues working when it should be resting. Night after night, this can create silent wear and tear. No pain, no warning, just gradual stress on the heart muscle and blood vessels. Over time, plaque can build inside arteries. Blood vessels may stiffen. The risk of heart complications rises. I've seen patients who exercised regularly, ate well, and never smoked, and still faced heart issues. When we looked deeper, the pattern was often the same: chronic late nights. Late sleep can also affect blood sugar control, which may accelerate aging inside the cardiovascular system. Your heart ages faster when it doesn't get proper recovery. People sometimes think sleep is optional. It isn't. Sleep is treatment, and timing matters as much as duration. One bad night won't cause harm, but years of late nights can quietly increase stress on the heart. This is why heart issues can happen even in people who appear healthy. They may have overlooked recovery. If you want to protect your heart, protect your bedtime. Not tomorrow, not someday. Tonight. Because prevention is always easier than treatment, and your heart benefits from every night you prioritize rest.